20 Minute Setswana, Grammar Notes Section, Lesson 20. Le amogele segile bagaetso. Re buile gape ka 20 Minute Setswana, and we are here with Johan Zervik. O amogele segile, Johan.
Ke a leboga Tian, dumelang bagaetso.
Now, today we're talking about big, bigger, biggest.
Yeah, that is a very difficult issue in Setswana because there is no such thing in the Setswana grammar.
Oh, okay. It doesn't exist.
It doesn't exist. It's an explanation actually.
Okay.
So you have an explanation of this thing is big, but this thing is bigger than the previous one.
Okay.
And the third step of the superlatives, the big, bigger, biggest, you will say this one is the biggest of them all.
Okay, I think let's leave this for level B of 20 Minute Setswana, because what I actually want to get to is this nyenyane.
Nye actually is the adjective root we have handled previously.
Yes, this means small.
Small.
Okay.
So now you double that. Nyenyane.
Nyenyane.
But nyani you can add. It's a suffix that causes the diminutive.
Meaning small.
Yeah, the suffix you can add to almost any word or any noun.
All right, so let's say I want to say small woman. How would I say that?
Yeah, you would say mosadi nyana. It's a woman, but it's a small one. So if you have pene, you would say pene nyana.
Penenyana.
It gives you the explanation or the meaning of a small bit. If it's a volume,
Yes, like a little bit of sugar.
shukiri nyana.
Shukirinyana. Okay, so in both contexts, you can use this either to describe volume or size.
That's it.
Now, I noticed the suffix is actually nyana, but here it changes to nyane, nyenyane.
The sound system makes it nye, nyane.
So, nyenyana is grammatically correct.
That wouldn't be wrong.
It's just that a Setswana speaker would rather say nyenyane.
Yeah, they will change it to nyane.
And this brings me to kholo kholo. What does this mean?
Kholo means big. Kholo kholo. So you double that kholo.
Kholo kholo.
And that means very big.
But we spoke about this earlier, that if I want to say big woman, it's mosadi.
Mosadi mokholo.
That's right, mosadi yo mokholo. So you can't just say mosadi kholo.
Yeah.
So we have the option of saying mosadi nyana or mosadi yo monye.
That's it.
But with kholo, you don't have this option. You have to say mosadi yo mokholo. So that's just something to keep in mind. Now, I see with khontsinyana, this nyana again is added to the end of the statement. But can you explain a little bit more?
What happens there is you have the adjective root of ntsi, much more. Ntsi. Then you have the nyana combined or added to that, ntsi nyana. It's a little more. You make it smaller by adding that diminutive suffix.
Okay, so nsi is more and nyana is little.
Yeah.
A little more. Okay, also not too difficult to understand. Now, once again, we were speaking about this ho at the beginning, but I think we should leave that one for level B listeners. Now, Johan, a last question is regarding this object morpheme again. We had an example of saying "Gake e rate." This e obviously referring to something from the fifth noun clause. Is that right?
Yeah. For instance, hempe. Gake rate hempe. But now you take away that hempe and you put in the sentence, you still refer to it. But that it is the object of your sentence.
Okay.
And in Setswana, you can replace an object with an object morpheme. You just say gake e rate.
And if I said I don't like the woman,
then it becomes gake mo rate.
so in English it can mean anything, but in Setswana you have to specify.
Yeah, you actually in the object morpheme, you are specifying or talking about something. So that it, if you form that with the object morpheme, it's formed from the class prefix of that noun you are talking about.
And the same thing goes for ketla e tsaya. this e referring to whatever I will take it.
Yeah.
But here's an interesting question. What if the it refers to like an indefinite object? Like, I'll think about it or go for it.
In Setswana, you also have what they call a object morpheme that's not linked to any class. So the object is not known, so you can either use the e or plural d.
Okay, e or d.
It's almost like a classless object morpheme or a classless morpheme.
Okay, well, that's easy to understand. Thank you, Johan, for having joined us again. And to the listeners, I hope this has been useful. We'll see you next week on 20 Minute Setswana. Go fitlhela nako e e tlang.